Tom Paladino. This is a Scalar Energy Laboratory. I'm working with the Scalar Energy Instrument that allows me to work with people by way of a photograph. This is my photograph that's filled with information. Anybody's photograph has scalar energy signatures or a scalar energy force field attached to their photograph. So people will email me a photograph and I'll actually place a photograph of a person inside that instrument. Now my photograph is being sent information from this Tesla tower. That's a scalar energy process. It's not a biological process. Now I've developed this instrument so I can take photographs of natural foods. Here's a magnified photograph of spinach. And if I wanted to treat myself for the energy of spinach, I would actually take this magnified photograph of spinach and place it side by side my photograph inside the scalar energy instrument. So the energy of spinach, the scalar energy of spinach is downloading into my scalar energy force field. And this way we can recreate, we can, if you will, assemble the phytochemicals found on spinach into my quantum field. This is our natural foods program. We offer 30 days of free sessions of natural foods, in which all you have to do is email us your photograph. Here's another example. This is a magnified photograph of lettuce. And this photograph of lettuce has information. There's a scalar energy code. There's a scalar energy signature on any natural food. Placing that photograph of lettuce side by side my photograph, now my photograph is being downloaded with phytochemicals, or at least downloaded with the information of phytochemicals to assemble a phytochemical inside my quantum field. This is the natural foods program in which we can assure the downloading of phytochemicals, of various types of antioxidants, various types of amino acids, etc., through the quantum plane by way of a person's photograph. This is the natural foods program.